Hi, this is table tennis robot. I will show you how to unboxing it. First, I will fix here. Okay, and then this is the remote. I keep remote here, and that is electric socket. Okay, plug here. I will show you later. And then this is net for table tennis robot. This is remote holder in table. I will show you how to do. And this is net holder. I will show you. This is instruction manual for robot. How to unbox it, how to use it, how to switch on everything. And here my multiple training. First, I need to explain about mine. I'm coach of table tennis. I'm table tennis coach of PATNA. Then now I'm going to unbox it. First, check out. Table tennis net. Open the net. Yeah, this is your proper position. Open the net. Yeah. Done. Then installing robot hook. You can see here, I will show you. You can see there is 2 holes. Okay. And then you can see here, this is support. Just check it. Just install it. It is not too difficult. Installation done. Just the accurate position. Net. And other one. Now I have to bring net holder. These 2 are net holders. Insert it. Done. And then done. Remaining parts. And then final. Almost done. Electric plug. 3V. That is remote. This is top wheel speed. This is for bottom speed, and this is sharp frequency. Just like that. Done. You can see here lots of balls, multi-ball. Okay, keep all balls here. Ball loads. Then on the switch. Then take the remote. On the switch. First, we need to on switch in robot also. You can see here. Here, just on it. See, like blinking. Start. What is flowing? Good. You can do random. One ball in back hand, one ball in forehand. Thank you.